Virgo, this is your channel messages for the 21st of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Ooh, that's dirty. You need to clean your glasses, Virgo. Where are you going without your eyes? Where are you going without your eyes? You keep leaving your eyes at home, Virgo. What's wrong with you? I'm at a party I don't want to be at. Okay, let's go ahead and go into your messages. What are we doing? Virgo. Hi, Virgo. Hi. Virgo, I want you to know that it doesn't matter what you say, Virgo, what you do. Virgo, you can change your name, but you can never change your spiritual gifts that I feel for you. Virgo, I want you to know. Virgo, all right. Virgo, I want you to know that I love you just the way you are. You don't have to change. You don't have to do anything. And I will always be here with you in this tarot spiritual journey. As you were there. I don't know if you put out a blood clot hit for me, Virgo. Come here, say you're known to put out hit on people who is coming up in the terror world. Nevertheless, I will be here for you. Call on me, Virgo, and I'll be there. So you can change your name, Virgo. You can change your hair, but you cannot change your readings. And I want you to know, Virgo, you did not have to say that you were a lesbian for me to want to be with you, Virgo. Virgo, you don't know who the fuck you is. I never have to fuck a man for there with you, but I do with you regardless. Here you were waiting for me to come out. Virgo, I don't need to come out. I am only gay for you. You did not know this? There's only one girl I would in life if I had to fuck a girl in life. And I don't see why fucking a girl would be equivalent to my life. But I am saying, Virgo, don't you know this? Baby girl, I don't have to be lesbian for you, baby girl. I could be straight and still fucking with you, baby girl. Baby girl, I don't need to change my sexual orientation to fuck with you, baby girl. You is that bitch. So I'm just saying, even though you're a lesbian, I am not. But I'm just saying, you did not have to force me or pressure me to become a lesbian to be with you, Virgo. Virgo, I'm gonna do it anyways. And don't be talking shit about Virgo, Sun, Libra, motherfucking Moon. Because I'll throw these motherfucking hands, okay? So I want you to know that even though we have not spoken for a very long time, and even though you may have a lot of fans, please understand that they're just fans. They don't know you. They don't know you like I know you, Virgo. No one does. They don't know what it was like for tarot readers like us growing up. You gotta call me, man. I'll be the biggest fan you ever used. Sincerely, your P.S. Virgo, we should be together too. My tea's gone fall, I'm wondering why. Get out of bed alone. And tarot readings on my YouTube, and I can see it all. And even if I could, it'll all be great with Astrology on my wall. But it reminds me that you don't fuck with people who's black. She don't fuck with people who's black. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. What's the overall message? I just want you to know this, Virgo. Because I know even with 100,000 followers, you could be lonely. I know that with all the flashing and buzzing that's happening around, everybody's saying, oh my God, it's Virgo, oh my God, it's Virgo. Virgo, maybe you actually want somebody to listen to you. So I say to Virgo, just like how I did the first time we met, I did call out on you. So if you would like someone to talk to, Virgo, call me. And I'll be there. You send me a message. No, send me an email. The email is in the description box in my YouTube channel. Okay, Virgo? I just wanted to tell you that. Walking, telling the fucking world say I'm lesbian. I'm not a lesbian. I just Virgo. It doesn't even feel sexual, Virgo. I don't have sexual feelings towards you either. I should tell you that. But if you tell me say you want me to be a girlfriend and me don't want to kiss you and me don't want to fuck you, I probably would. I'll be very honest, Virgo. Only for you. Only for you, Virgo. Let's go. Otherwise, where the Spanish is at? Where they at? I don't know what never do with me. You know, so for 5 years now, you know, hold on for me, hoping that I would change, hoping I'll be on medication, hoping that I would give my life to God. I only gave it to the fucking aliens, and look where that fucking left me. It led me in front of a fucking church. don't know. The alien lead me to the church. You should know that. Talking about I believe in aliens. I believe in aliens. They brought me here. They're like, bitch, you too corrupt for earth. You gotta go to motherfucking church, bitch. Ah. Okay, sorry. Your overall message is the moon card. So I'm getting it. Oh, I got a full... It cut because I had a full storage. Let me hurry up. So the moon card is coming out first, okay? So ask your question, Virgo. What is your question? Virgo, what is your question? We have the 10 of Pentacles. I'm getting it's a renowned. Is that how you pronounce it? Me get two in a literature. It's a yes. Okay, it's a big yes. It's a great yes. It's a 10 of Pentacles yes. It's a welcome to the family yes. It's a you'll get everything you want now. Okay, so I'm getting yes. The moon. I don't know what's happening, Virgo. I swear they do not want me to release this video. It keeps cutting and telling me storage full. Storage not fucking full. Full of shit. Okay, so 10 of Pentacles, all right, is your first my getting is a yes. Your question is a yes. That's your answer, okay? What happens if you don't follow this, Virgo? Because I'm getting whatever you're thinking about is a moon card, all right? If you don't follow, it's a 3 of Swords. You're going to feel heartbroken. You're going to feel torn. You're going to feel like you missed out. You're going to feel like you did the wrong thing. You're going to feel out of love. And Virgo, we don't have to for me to love you. Remember that. We don't have to for me to care about you. You need to get these so-called labels out of your head. If love is love, Virgo, it happened again. It keep cutting. Yeah, love is love. If you love, then that's all that matters, okay? And I'm getting you will be protected as if you are somebody's own blood, okay? So if you don't follow this, if you don't go through with this, then you're going to reach 3 of Swords, heartbreak. If you do go through with this, let me try to do it before it cuts again. If you do go through with this, Virgo, we have 7 of Pentacles. I'm getting it's going to be a lot of work. Maybe because you're going to have to share money. That's okay. I will share my money if I know I'm getting everlasting love. The usual thing is that you share your money and you get heartbroken. Somebody take your money and run. Maybe that's what you thought. So I'm getting this is all about money, Virgo. You don't know you love somebody until you give them money. You're Earth sign, remember that. Words of encouragement don't work for you. You want to know if you love somebody, you want to know if a Virgo love you are them check for you. Virgo, this is the 5 edit I have to edit in. Because they just don't want me to say this video for you. Okay, so the 7 of Pentacles will happen if you do. You're going to share the money and you're going to work together with somebody. You might even work together to make money. Yeah, somebody might even start a channel together. Okay, and let's see what your universal guidance is. The Empress. Libra and Taurus, right? Libra and Taurus shares Venus. Sexual intercourse does not mean love, Libra. Virgo, it does not mean that. You are already a part of me as I am already a part of you. Thus, we already share the love for each other. And this is not about sex. I'm talking about respect. Okay? So the Empress. Who is the other half? Who is the other half, Libra? Who is the other half, Taurus? There we go. So please do not doubt my loyalty towards you, Virgo. We are already one in the same. LGBTQAI+. And don't ever think I'll not accept you for who you are. I'll always accept you for who you are, Virgo. But I'm asking you accept me for who I am. Because we both share Venus, which is love. One more. They did not want me to record this. 4 times I have to edit the scene. 4 times I stop it. One more. Prophet. I said 1, but I'm going to do 2. And Pisces. Do you have another known in Pisces, Virgo? Call on me, Virgo, and I'll be there. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time. Bye.